As a self-employed business owner, it's incredibly important that I'm making the most out of my income. Now, one of the ways that I do that is by investing with eToro, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use their platform. All you need to do is download their app, fill in your information, which took me around 5 minutes, and then you're ready to go. So to start investing, we open the app and deposit some money. I've just deposited £50, and then we select what we want to invest in. Now, honestly, I'm a bit of a beginner when it comes to investing, but I know that I want to invest a small amount every month as part of my financial strategy. And that's why I started trading with eToro. The app is super user-friendly, and they make it really easy to find stocks, crypto, indices, commodities, currencies, ETFs, and you can even invest in eToro's own smart portfolios. Now, I've done a little bit of research and I want to invest in this stock, so I'm going to invest £50. You can set a stop loss, which is really handy, and you can set a profit target as well. And that's it. Trading made simple with eToro.